Hey folks, welcome to another Natureman Adventures. Today is going to be a quick video. I just want to show you this new tarp that I acquired. I talked about it before, and this is the Onewind 12-foot tarp that has these flapping doors. Now, I'm going to give you a closer look at it, but as you can see, I have the doors open on this side, and the doors are closed on the other side. So let me bring you in for a closer look and show you how I have this set up. And I don't have all of the guidelines that they provided. I just used my own for today, but I just want to do a quick setup and see how it looks, and then we'll fine-tune it from there. All right, so as you can see, I currently have this with the door open, but it comes with these carabiners, and you can just basically hook them to here, or you can hook them to these loops here. This is a bungee cord which you can stretch out, and these actually have these pieces of loops that will pull out and make this tarp even bigger, but I'll show you that in a second. So basically you could take these clips and you're going to hook them to the guy lines, and I'll show you that right now. All right, so we unclip the one side. Go ahead and unclip this side. And as you can see, like I said, it just comes with these carabiners. This is some short cord, and then all you're going to do is you just come around. In this case, I'm going to attach it over here. I'm just going to attach it to my cordage right on this side. So we grab this side here. I'm going to do the same thing. And that, as you can see, will close these doors. Now you can get these tighter if you change the pitch of it, which I haven't done yet, but that's as easy as it is to close these doors. Now if you want additional room, like I said, you can actually pull this out, and you can see it changes the shape of this tarp. If you pull this out, this is going to give you a little more room, so let me go ahead and do that. Alright, so I don't know how well this will show up on video, but as you can see, I've pulled these out, okay, from these attachment points, and you have them on both sides of the tarp, which basically is giving you a nice layout for a tent, right? Now, one of the ideas I have is to take my mesh tent and put it inside of this, so I can have this as my, like my rain fly, my cover, and then the mesh tent inside, which that'll be another setup another day. But let me show you how much more room it gives you on this side compared to this side. Alright, so hopefully you guys will be able to see this. I'm just going to open this up a little bit, and you can see the difference between when you pull this out on this side compared to how you have like your A-frame. So if I were to pull out this side, it basically makes it like a really big tent inside. Really, really roomy. Let me go ahead and I'll unclip these and bring you on inside so you can see how much room it is as well. Alright folks, so let me show you from here. So this here is like the edge, like the beginning of the top right here. Let me go all the way in the back to show you how much room I have back here. So I'm all the way in the back here, and like I said, this tarp is 12 feet by 10 feet. So it gives you plenty of space, and as you can see with these pulled out, this gives you a lot of room. And obviously you can tweak the system. This is laying flat, but if I were to pull this out like this, look how much room you have inside of here. It's pretty good size. Now there's only one thing that I got to show you that I'm a little disappointed with, and it has to do with this tie-out point over here. Now, I'm not sure how well this is going to show up on camera, but once I took it out of the package, I did notice there is a tear right here. So you can see my skin right there. So there is a tear right there. It's not major, but it's definitely something that came out from the factory like that. So I was a little disappointed when I saw that, but overall, I am impressed with the quality of this tarp. Alright folks, so I just want to show you as well, it came with guy line. I believe there's 6 pieces of cordage. They're about 6 feet long, and they have a reflective surface, so at nighttime you would be able to see them. It also comes with 4 stakes, and they have these orange pull-out cordage, and it comes with the setup with the 3 ridges here for your setup when you stake it into the ground. Really good, but I would love to have more stakes. That's just me, so I always carry extras. And as you can see for today, I just want to do the setup with my own gear because I didn't want to get this dirty for today. I want to get the initial setup, get a feel for how it is, and then I will fine tune when I set up my tarp down the road to make it really work best. As far as the quality of this is concerned, it's very, very good quality. The only thing is that one tear, it's a little disappointing coming out of the package, and I'm sure I could contact Onewind and, you know, maybe they would send me another one, but for now I'm just going to keep it as it is. And I want to do some more testing with the tarp, different configurations, which I want to show you as well. One of the things I love about this is the feature of the door with the short cordage and that carabiner, which basically hooks it into place, closing it off and giving you that enclosed space. And I think this will work very well with the mesh tent that I have from One Tigress. So I can't wait to get that set up. I'll do that another time. I just came out here for a little bit today to enjoy the day and get this set up for the first time and show it to you all, because I've been excited about this coming in. And when it arrived, unfortunately I was sick, so I couldn't get out and do a setup. But today was the day to get out here and do it. So anyways, without further ado and blabbing too much, hope you've enjoyed this first look, first impression of this Onewind tarp. And if you have any questions or any thoughts, drop them in the comment below. Let me know what you think about this particular tarp. Is this something that you would be interested in as well for your own setups? Also, if you can do me a huge favor, if you enjoy content like this with me showing you new gear, hit that like button. And for all the airplanes that are passing overhead today from the airport, do me a huge favor. If you really enjoy this content, hit that subscribe button. That will help as well with the channel. And spread the news, let people know that the Natureman is out there testing out gear and showing you different options that you can have to enjoy the outdoors and to get dirty with nature. As always, folks, I do appreciate every single one of you and all of your support, your thoughts, your comments, your questions. And as always, get out there, enjoy every moment of life, get dirty with nature, and I'll see you very soon.